Hey everyone, Adam at the Bar Shack here again with a quick video. Just going to outline how you guys can create your own cookie dough flavored protein bar. Cookie dough is just amazing. Everybody loves that flavor. In this case here, the bar actually really tastes very much like cookie dough. You can also use this template here to create a sort of a chocolate chip cookie bar as well. It really turns out nicely here. So we'll just go through each section outlining which ingredients to choose to make a chocolate chip cookie or chocolate chip cookie dough bar. So if we start out with the base here, select soft and chewy, and you have the option of selecting fiber syrup or clover honey with this one. If you want a sweeter bar, go with clover honey. If not quite as sweet, fiber syrup. Of course, you'll want to look at the macronutrient numbers. Depending on what your goals are. Obviously the clover honey will be higher in sugar, fiber syrup will be a lot higher in fiber, a little more filling, but both give the bar a really nice flavor. As far as the nut and seed butters go, you're going to want to go with cashew butter or chocolate honey cashew. In this case I'm just going to keep it simple, go with regular cashew butter, but the chocolate cashew butter does work really well in this bar as well. Just more of a chocolatey flavor in the end. For protein powders and flours, we're not going to be able to go vegan on this bar. You'll want to go with either a raw grass-fed whey isolate or a combination of the two. Egg white protein would work as well, but I think the texture turns out a little bit better if you use one of the wheys. I'm going to actually use a combination of the two here in this case. I'm not going to add any nuts and seeds to this recipe. We want to keep it simple. It's got enough cashew butter in it anyway. And same with dried fruit. We're actually not going to add any dried fruit. If you're going to make sort of a chocolate chip cookie sort of recipe, you could add a little bit of coconut in there. But if you're sticking with cookie dough, I wouldn't recommend any fruit. Under flavor and texture enhancers, we are going to choose chocolate chips, sea salt, vanilla extract, and I like adding coconut manna or coconut oil. They're sort of optional. You have the option of choosing up to 4 ingredients in this section. I'm going to add a little bit of that. I find it makes the texture a little bit nicer. Of course, if you were looking to create sort of more of a cookie bar, you may want to add some oats in here. You can get creative with this section, maybe even white chocolate. It would turn out nicely as well. In the flavor oils section, we're just choosing one, and that's going to be cookie dough, and it really, really tastes like cookie dough. It's a great flavor. In the boosters section, cacao is optional. I like adding cacao. A little bit of cacao definitely helps the texture, and it gives a little more of a chocolatey flavor. Not a huge amount, but just about enough. So that's optional. I wouldn't recommend choosing any of the other options under the boosters in this particular bar. And of course, we got to name it cookie dough. There it is. So that's it, guys. That's how you create your own cookie dough bar at the Bar Shack. If you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions, if you've made a bar in the past, let us know how it turned out. If you have any input in regards to getting the ultimate sort of cookie bar, chocolate chip cookie dough bar, please do let us know. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you again soon.